Hello everyone. Our presentation today is about a fascinating chemistry innovation that shows how molecular design can be used for a quick virus detection. The article that I chose is called "The Molecule Turns Your Tongue into a Flu Detector," written by Louisa Dalton and published in the Chemistry and Engineering News in October 2025. Let's start with some background and information. The flu spreads very quickly and people can infect others even before they show symptoms. The current testing methods all have limitations. PCR tests are highly accurate but also expensive and time consuming. Rapid antigen tests are faster and cheaper but sometimes less reliable. Scientists wanted to find out a test that is simple, fast, and inexpensive, something that anyone could use at home without special equipment. Now, here's where chemistry comes in. Researchers of the University of Würzburg developed a molecule that can actually make your tongue into a flu detector. This molecule combines two parts. One part is a substrate that reacts with the flu enzyme called neuraminidase, and the other part is a thymol, a compound that gives the thyme a strong herbal flavor. When the flu virus is presented, the neuraminidase cuts the molecule apart and releasing the thymol, which you can taste. So, if a person tastes a thyme, like a flavor that using the molecule, it means the flu enzyme is active and the virus might be present. If no flavor detected, there's likely no infection. To make sure the molecule only reacts with the flu enzyme, scientists added a methyl group. This chemical modification prevents the human or bacterial enzyme from triggering the reaction. The team tested the molecule in the lab saliva sample and it worked successfully. However, human testing and safety evaluation still need to be done. This approach could make testing faster, cheaper, and more accessible. For example, in the future, it could be used as a small lozenge or chewing gum for a quick screening at home, school, or at airports. It would allow people to testing themselves in just seconds without swabs or machines. Of course, there are still challenges. Researchers must make sure that reaction only happens with the flu enzyme and that testing intensity is safe and consistent and there are no false results. But overall, this project shows that how chemistry and biotechnology can come together to solve the public health problems. In conclusion, this discovery is a creative example of how chemistry can be applied into real life work needs. By using our sense of taste and diagnostic tool to change how we detect diseases, not just the flu, but maybe other infects in the future. Thank you for listening.